Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Heather.
I'm Ryan.
We actually have something a bit different today. We actually have been gifted a WALT Life box. So we are super excited to open this with you guys today.
Just a little.
Just a little bit. The box actually feels like really nice actually. It's this nice texture and that kind of thing. So, and of course, the adventure begins. Oh, that's so cute. When you first open it, it says, "Believe in magic." Oh my God, that's so beautiful. And there's all kinds of stuff inside.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
Start with wow.
Okay, so I'll show you guys. This is what the box looks like. So it has wishing you the happiest of days, and you've got a friend in me. It's got no capes on it, so of course, Incredibles reference. Good things are sure to come your way. How many wonders can one cavern hold, and seize your moment? This is amazing.
It's pretty cool, I gotta say.
Yes. Do you want to do the first one? Okay.
The first item in our mystery box is from Disneyland Resort and Walt Disney World. It's a vinyl window sticker. Of course, the mouse.
I can't wait to put this on a car.
Adult supervision is required. We're probably going to need some help from somebody else. Yeah, this looks super cool already. Okay. Next.
All right.
Next.
So I'll do the next one.
We're too excited to spend much time on it.
Got a Mickey Mouse lunchbox.
Okay.
It's going to be perfect for Madeline.
That's
Madeline is going to
coolest
love
thing
this.
ever.
Yeah, she's going to love that.
Do we get to unbox the lunchbox?
Sure.
I think we will.
Yeah. Let's unbox the lunchbox. Oh, it's so cute. It's such good quality too. Oh, so nice little space in there. So that's gonna be perfect for Madeline. Madeline's gonna put all of her dolls in there, I'm sure.
Disney Junior, Mickey Mouse, Clubhouse.
Yeah. Yeah, very cool.
And next,
Oh, it's
perhaps a
a keychain.
keychain.
Oh, that's cute. Little Mickey keychain.
It's a bottle opener key ring.
Of
You
course.
can also open your bottles. That's awesome for Mickey guitar.
Yeah, so it's worth noting that this is actually supposed to be a 18 plus neutral box. So that's probably why we got a bottle opener in ours.
It sounds about right.
Yeah. I think this one might be for me. It's a charm, but it's a little charm.
Let's do the heart.
Jewelry charm. Yeah, it's got a heart and it's Cinderella.
That's all right.
Alright.
Ooh, what else do we have?
Of course. Tons and tons of film.
Yes. I think there's something else in here. Oh, okay. So from the Walt Life, we have a color me puzzle.
Yeah, so that's something fun for Madeline to do.
Yeah, so it looks like these actually break apart.
Into puzzle pieces.
Yeah, so once you color them, you can break them apart. You can put them right back together.
Awesome. Now, see if we've got anything else. Oh, this is really cool. It's a Sleeping Beauty postcard. So these are actually like really cool. I really enjoyed this. This is concept art by Mark Davis, and it's made out of graphite ink and watercolor. So that's a print on the postcard here. So
Maleficent looking very.
Yeah, it's
Maleficent.
Maleficent for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's really cool. It's
New movie
from
coming out. Timeline.
yes, it's from the Art of Disney, the Golden Age. So of course, classic movie there for Disney.
Angelina, if you want to sign this, we can get it to you somehow. That's for sure.
You can certainly do that.
Thank you. What else do we have? Look at a bookmark from the Walt Life. Very cool.
Yeah.
Peter Pan. I always
Really
love Peter
cool.
Pan. Everybody loves Peter Pan. I love Peter Pan.
Yeah.
Walt Life.
Yeah, that's definitely for you.
And now, I'd say it's for now.
So it does also come with a, little, like, I guess, packing list. So it says that this actually is a utility tin.
Oh, utility.
So keep your favorite Disney trinkets all in one safe place with your brand new utility tin. And then we have, there's more stuff in here, obviously,
Whoa.
because I'm missing something.
There it is.
So spoiler alert, there is a charm bracelet also included. So I guess where I get an extra charm, and then there's this charm bracelet that came with it as well. So little Minnie Mouse here. So then I can add that charm to this one. That's lovely. That's amazing. I love that.
That's very cool.
Yeah. This is postcards and guitar keychain and the Cinderella charm. So that's awesome. So that's what the treasures are for the Walt Life box.
And of course, there's a nice little note in here that says, "Thank you for being a part of the Walt Life family. Hope you're ready for some Disney magic. Have a wonderful day."
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's really nice. I really like that. And actually, it also says in the box that there is a game board in the box. So the box is actually made.
The box itself is something?
Yeah, there's
Oh, cool.
there's a game board in the box. So that's really cool. Right? So how it works, you collect Walt and you win a Disney Tsum Tsum. You collect Life, you win a Disney Mini Beanbag plush. You collect Walt Life and you win an official Disney Parks item. And collect Walt Life without any wilds and you win a trip for two to Disney World. So that's amazing. So what do we get?
We got the eye.
We get the eye.
It's
So
very
what's
incredible.
the eye? Okay, so I see. So we actually will get to collect these and put them in here. So that's amazing. We're actually going to put that eye in there.
If you collect the all 8, it's a trip. It's amazing.
Yeah, that's amazing. So yeah, I'll stick that in there. So we have the eye.
Very
So
cool.
that is so cool. Thanks so much to Walt Life for
Thank
sending
you
this
very
to
much,
us.
Walt Life.
We're so excited for this, and we can't wait to see what comes up next.
We hope you guys like this type of video. It's something new for us. We never unboxed before. It was a lot of fun. You don't know what you're going to get.
Absolutely.
So, a lot of fun. We love everything we got.
If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button and comment below. And we can't wait to see you next time.
Thanks. Bye.